TechnoIllustrator. Resizing photos and adjusting time. Learn. Steps. Step 1. Open Windows Live Photo Gallery. Click on Start. All Programs. Windows Live Photo Gallery. Or click on the shortcut on your desktop. Step 2. Open up your folder. Open the folder where you have saved your photos in. To do this, click File, Include Folder, and the folder you wanted to open. Select the first photo and select Edit tab. Click on Adjust Time on top. A pop-up window will appear. Change the time and date accordingly. Zoo1.jpg 2 p.m. Friday, April 13, 2012. Zoo2.jpg 3:12 and 3 seconds p.m. Saturday, April 14, 2012. Zoo3.jpg 8:20 and 39 seconds a.m. Sunday, April 15, 2012. Zoo4.jpg 6:53 and 19 seconds p.m. Monday, April 16, 2012. Zoo5.jpg 9:33 and 19 seconds p.m. Monday, May 1, 2012. Do the same thing on the pictures that have the wrong date stamps. Lastly, organize your photos by right-clicking on any white space. Choose Refresh. Resize your photos so they upload faster. To do so, select and right-click your photo and select Resize. Choose Small and select Resize and save. Repeat steps to all photos.